Hi, I'm Allie, co-founder of Potomac Beads, and I'm going to do a product spotlight on you and tell you kind of my review of a new product that just came out. The product that came out are the Cathedral Domes. So the Cathedral Dome is a one-hole bead, and it is a Czech bead, so it's manufactured in the Czech Republic. And it has a cut to it. It almost looks like a cathedral cut. Most of the cathedral cuts that we have in the regular bead have that nice kind of bronze or copper around the outer edges. The cathedral cut you want to think of more as a long barrel rather than an actual round bead or a fire polished bead. It does go through the fire polishing process. You can check out our other YouTube videos on our Potomac Beads channel for how they're actually made and manufactured if you're interested. These dome beads are a one-hole flat on one side, so basically taking the cathedral here, like this 8mm one, and just cutting it in half. They are an 8mm bead, and then their profile is going to sit up right about 6 inches. So when you're looking at it here, or sorry, 6mm, not 6 inches, that would be crazy big. But they're gonna be about 6 high, and then they are 8 from top to bottom when you're looking at it, and from side to side. Again, they have kind of that centered cut here where it's faceted towards the interior, done on a faceting machine, and then tumbled and fired to get that nice polish on them. So they are one hold. They're a new one hold. Regular cathedrals are gonna be rounded one hold. The dome, same deal, one hole. The benefit that I see for this is it's a really cool bead to do bead embroidery around or soutache around, because it's going to flip. That's my issue. Kind of the same issue that I have with the regular dome beads. Because they have one hole, it is really hard for the dome beads to kind of make them sit the way that you want them to be. The same with some of the coin beads and other beads as well. So I'm looking at these, brainstorming, thinking, what would I make with these cathedrals? And looking at it and kind of doing this review, the first thing that I'm thinking is I either need to put them back to back, but in that case, they're gonna have 2 holes rather than the 1 hole of the cathedral. You can glue them down to stiff stuff, bead around them, use them in your bead embroidery projects. That's really what I'm seeing the benefit of these beads, and I'm excited to see them in use. They do give that nice kind of faceted appearance and that cut appearance in a lot of the beautiful Czech finishes, like this graphite rainbow, the blue, red, green, jet red luster. All of the regular kind of starts and finishes are what these are on. There are 20 beads per strand. We'll have them in strands or bags for you and have them available on the site. If you do want to get any of them and play around with them, comment below the video and let us know exactly what you're doing with them, what you're making for them. Better yet, you can share a picture in our beading group on Facebook for beading and jewelry making, and show us what you're making with these basically half cathedrals, or the dome cathedral that is flat on one side and rounded and cut on the other side. It'll be interesting to see then if these are also produced with that nice kind of golden touch to them, or whether or not they're going to kind of stay simple with this just regular flat design on the outer edges. I'm interested to see what people make, what people create with them, and happy to supply a new bead. As with all of the YouTube videos, again, you can comment below. You can give a little introduction to yourself and what you do bead making. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can subscribe to our regular YouTube channel as well to see all the tutorials of things being made, and also become a member of our Facebook group for beading and jewelry making. As with all the new products, we like to have them. We like to do a little review and to see kind of what we like and we don't like about them. Again, I'm looking at these more as bead embroidery or for soutache because of that flat edge. But if you definitely come up with a design where they are not flipping or rotating because of that one hole, that's the advantage of having a 2-hole bead. Definitely post a picture and let us know what you think. As always, in addition to subscribing, you can stay connected with us through Facebook, through Instagram, Pinterest, and then check us out on Twitch as well, so you can see the design making, and you may just see us designing and playing around soon with these new domed cathedrals.